Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Manaz Naveed Shah, and I hope that each one of you watching continues to remain safe throughout this very difficult time. I would like to take a bit of your time to talk to you today about the Hunar Foundation, an inspiring organization that I, like so many others, find it an honor to support. The Hunar Foundation, or THF, is the leading organization that provides technical training to the underprivileged youth of Pakistan. Pakistan has a young population, with around 60% of the population today under the age of 32. It is necessary then to convert this young and energetic population into contributing members of society, enabling them to work meaningfully and honorably to sustain their families with their own abilities, and in so doing also become contributing members of the broader economy. While we are truly in difficult times, we must look to preempting the problems that face us in the very near future. Post-COVID-19, we will, as a nation, have to recover. And if we are to recover, industries throughout Pakistan will urgently need a skilled workforce, and youth throughout Pakistan will need sustainable employment. So today, I want to urge each one of you to support this important cause through your donations and zakat, so that together, along with the founders and friends of the Hunar Foundation, you and I too can help build a skilled Pakistan, a Pakistan with a strong economy and a secure future. I would like now to share with you a short clip on the Hunar Foundation. I hope you will take a few moments to view it, and I will be back right after that.
हुनर फाउंडेशन एक ऐसा इदारा है जो डोनेशंस और ज़कात से बना रहा है खुद मुख्तार अफराद और एक हुनरमंद पाकिस्तान। आप भी बेरोजगार को रोजगार दिलाने में हमारी मदद कर सकते हैं। हमारे हाथ से हाथ मिलाएं, अपनी ज़कात से इनका मुस्तकबिल रोशन बनाएं।
As you have seen for yourself, the Hunar Foundation provides state-of-the-art vocational training in 8 institutes across Pakistan. In campuses across our nation, the technical courses offered to young matriculate boys range from welding, plumbing, refrigeration, and air conditioning to auto mechanics, electronics, and fabrication. For young women, courses are offered in skills ranging from hairdressing and beauty therapy to computer skills and call center training. Most courses are approved by City and Guilds UK, and qualifying students receive CNG diplomas, which are recognized in over 80 countries, allowing graduates to gain employment both here and abroad. Students in these campuses are given not only skills specific to one area, but are also trained in basic English language, computer, and life skills, all geared to make them not only capable technicians, but additionally opening up for them the very real possibilities for self-directed learning and improvement throughout their lives. The Hunar Foundation has a new purpose-built campus at Korangi for boys and girls that is spread over 5 acres, housing, in addition to its many classrooms, a modern teachers' training center. This institute has an inspiring vision and presence, and once operational, will graduate 2,500 students each year and will serve as an important resource for capacity building for this truly important cause. Unfortunately, the COVID-19 pandemic has left the Hunar Foundation financially vulnerable, and THF is deeply concerned about enrolling a good strength of students in this new session that starts in July, and not turning away those deserving and motivated youth due to lack of financial resources. Your donor support for the cause of empowering the marginalized youth with skill and hence dignity is even more important now than ever before. At THF, student sponsorship of one student for completion of a 6-month course is 90,000 rupees. I request you to keep this great cause in mind, both for your zakat and donations. Providing skills to our underprivileged youth and paving a way for their gainful employment is the only sustainable solution for a stable and prosperous Pakistan. You and I, with the help of the Hunar Foundation, can make this much-needed difference. In gratitude to what God has blessed you with in abundance, and in keeping with our vision for our country, please donate generously online at www.hunarfoundation.org/donate.php. Allah Nigeban.